Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, this is a back-to-back video. I have not moved any of this stuff. So I thought we could organize my Ferncreek stickers because they're in a couple places right now, and that's going to drive me a little crazy. You may recognize this from 2023 when we got the Ferncreek stickers advent, which was awesome. She gave us like 3 or 4 of these. It was just like never ending. Of course, this was the only one I could find. Sorry about the plastic noise. So I thought that we could organize some stickers, because I like organizing stickers, and since I'm keeping her stickers, so we're doing the great purge over here, I thought maybe we should use them. Okay, so I have this the right way up. Now, are you top loading, back loading, side loading? What are you? You are top loading. Okay. So I think because I tried my sticker storage from Planner Kate that I can find. I have more, I just don't know where it is. And I tried my sticker storage from, okay, it doesn't help me that they're bending. I tried my sticker storage from Constance, and none of them fit the Ferncreek cousin sheets. But of course, this one does. It's not as wide as their sticker storage, but it is taller. The pages themselves might actually be wider, but oh, come on. I don't think so. I think like this is specifically made for this. So that's good because we have a bunch. We have all this stuff that we unboxed in the last video, and then I have all this other. We're just gonna continue what we were doing a moment ago, which is trying to store these pages, preferably back to back, so that I can see both of them. And then I'm gonna put the December ones that we're going to sacrifice to test them out as the last page in here, so that we're not creating an empty space. It's sad that there wasn't like a companion sheet for this one, but it's okay. There's probably something from Planner Kate or who knows who else that we can use to mimic that, because I'm pretty sure those Erin Condren ones will work for the same thing, but until we actually do it, I don't want to be too certain, because I'm not 100% certain. I'm mostly certain. Okay, so I think we looked at these before. I hope that we looked at these before, because my recollection is that we did. So this is the Winter Forest freebie, cousin boxes, and now I have to find the Winter Forest one so that we can reunite them. It's another January. Goodness me. Which one are you? 198, 198. Okay. And that is 197. Okay, so these stickers all go together. So we have the essentials. We have the daily, which is basically washi. We have the journaling, which has days of the week and more parts. We have days of the week, dates, checklist, kind of deals, bullet lists, and then we've got boxes. And then you've got these cute boxes, and you've got more of these things. I'm not necessarily sure that these go together, but I think that they do. Yeah, same bird, they do. Okay, so this is basically a daily kit. There's no monthly here. So this is for doing the daily pages, or really, okay, this is a weekly, and then there's the daily stuff. So we're good. We have lots of things. So I'm gonna try to put them. It's great when you confuse yourself with the stickers that you bought and probably already looked at about 12 times, trying to find storage for them. I hope I can fit this many in here. Oh, this is the one with the blank page in the back. Okay. So we will move on to this one. Sorry, I just keep checking the camera out of paranoia every few minutes because of when it turned out I wasn't recording, which I figured out what happened. I hadn't hit stop on the previous video that I'd been recording, and then when I thought I was recording the new video, I was actually stopping it. So now I have to check, just constantly check. Okay, so this is the same deal here. We've got the boxes, we've got the daily, we've got more boxes and labels, journaling, and the daily washi, and then this would be the week one. So, I know I have so much Christmas stuff, right? But it's what was available. It's really cute, and I will definitely use it. So, we need 365 days plus 52 weeks minus the 2 weeks of the month that have already gone by. And several months to fill up the Hobonichi. So we need the sticker kits. These are all winter ones though, because that's when I bought them. So this is the December mystery kit, Hobonichi Cousin Weekly plus Daily. So same thing basically. Here's the weekly. Oh, here's a sheet I haven't seen before. Or she's just changed up how she does them. Here's the daily. It's all good. This is like the full boxes are here. The labels and stuff are here. Some of the essential stuff. It's all kind of spread out. It's just a different format, which is fine. But then I also had, yes, we used the same kit in the weeks. So I have extra pieces that match. So I'm going to stick them in here. And then that way I have extra coordinating pieces if we need them. Oh wow, that's been sitting there well, no, it hasn't been the whole time. It's only been a couple minutes. I worry about glares. I don't like glares. Okay, this one we have the freebie, the daily, the full boxes, the boxes and labels, the journaling B, the washi for the daily, and then this is the weekly, and then we also have the monthly. So we have a lot in this one, which is great. So we're covered for next January, which is great, I think, anyway. All right, so put these in here. Oops. All right. At some point, we'll get better at using this thing, right? I might run out of stickers before that happens, but maybe. Okay, so then there's the question of what do I do with the Hobonichi kits, because they're so much smaller. And I've already kind of turned this into, I mean, aside from this is Proud Sticker Designs, this is Planner Kate, it's Planner Kate sticker storage, but then I've got my Weeks kit in here, my other Weeks kit in here, reading stickers, and then like miscellaneous freebie stuff I had gotten. This one wasn't or mystery bag rather. This one wasn't a mystery bag. This is what happens when only sheet B is available and you think, oh yeah, I have stickers that'll go with that. No, I don't. At least not right now. This is that same Christmas that we just did, the December. And we also have the kit for it. Oh, it's in this book. That's why I can't find it. It's not that one. Back here. Yeah, this December. So we also have the Weeks kit, because I like matchy-matchy. And then like this was part of a mystery bag, mystery bag, mystery bag, mystery bag, mystery bag. Basically, whenever you see the red mark on the Ferncreek logo, it's from a mystery bag. And then, you know, we've got yellow here, so we know how that's going to go. And then there's note stickers. I'm not even sure what they're for, but they're for every month. So I'm thinking there's not that many pages left in here. I'm just going to keep doing the Hobonichi kits in here because I know I have more cousin kits somewhere, and I would prefer to be able to locate them. And then the nice thing about this too is it loads on the side, so I can do 2 kits in a page. They're also a little bit thicker, so I can fit 2 of those in there. So that works out because then we can see them. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. See, now I'm used to reaching for the top, so now I have to reach for the side. Alright, and then we've got... perfect. 2 of each, and we're all set with this. So I am going to let this one stay as mostly Ferncreek for right now. And then we're going to put in our December sacrifice. I don't know, should I do that before or after I set up the cousin? Because I haven't set it up yet. I posted pictures. I'm trying to figure out exactly which papers and stuff I want to put on it. But I do need to actually be using it. So, oh, I forgot about all these freebies. Shoot. Alright, so we're just going to turn them back to back and put them in here because these are useful. Oops. But I think I have smaller albums from both of them that those would go in better, along with some of these other things. But for right now, it's fine. So back to my original question. Should we or should we not do this before the setup? Just so we can see if this works before I go getting my heart set on it. So I'll think about that. Let me know in the comments what you think. And I am super excited that something fits for sticker kits. You know, it's a decent, you can fit a decent amount in each sleeve. So it's a good sticker book. So if she has any left in the shop, you might want to grab some. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.